Introducing the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome, the ultimate in mobile luxury. This floating castle makes a strong impression because to its aerodynamic, streamlined form and large panoramic windows. The well-known Prevost chassis, which is renowned for its strength, longevity, and very smooth ride, serves as its base. That sophisticated look is supported by a powerful Volvo D13 engine and Allison transmission, which provide the kind of performance and dependability you would expect from a car of that size. This coach serves as a very spacious living area when parked, thanks to the triple slide-out sections that double the interior capacity at the press of a button and the integrated Prevost platform design that guarantees a pleasant journey. As soon as you enter the cockpit, you are greeted by a sophisticated and easy-to-use command center. Multiple dials and buttons are a thing of the past. With its enormous integrated touchscreen display and cutting-edge digital instrument cluster at its core, the dashboard is a marvel of modern design. You have complete control over your RV's lighting, entertainment, security, and climate with this state-of-the-art smart home management system. Driving is made both high-tech and stress-free by the sophisticated safety measures and high-resolution cameras that provide 360-degree vision. The main living area is obviously of custom quality. The best handcrafted materials, like heated marble flooring, rich, custom-made wood cabinetry, and luxurious, designer chairs with premium leather upholstery, are all around you as soon as you enter. With a spacious sitting room ideal for entertaining or just unwinding, the design is airy and welcoming. Its large OLED smart TV and top-of-the-line audio system are both skillfully integrated into the design. The area may be transformed from a tranquil haven to a bustling social center by modifying the fiber-optic ceiling lighting to fit the requirements of each occasion. The Master Suite is a tranquil haven created to promote as much relaxation as possible. The focal point is a king-sized bed with an opulent mattress, encircled by beautiful lighting and cabinets. To keep things clutter-free, there are several closets and storage spaces. For late-night entertainment, a second smart TV is well situated, and soundproofing makes sure that outside noise never wakes you up. After a long day of travel, this peaceful haven, which is more than simply a bedroom, is a wonderful spot to relax and recover. The bathroom is as luxurious and tranquil as a five-star hotel spa. It's great to have a full-sized shower with a rainfall showerhead and a glass enclosure. Beautiful marble or tile floors, a designer sink, and sophisticated fixtures complete the room. The area is kept tidy and spotless with creative storage options and enough illumination. Another feature of some variations that offers you and your guests even more privacy and convenience is a bathroom and a half arrangement. This is a gourmet culinary workplace on wheels, not simply a kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances that are suitable for a domestic setting. It has a built-in induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer. Beautiful, long-lasting quartz or other high-quality solid surfaces are used to make the countertops, and the bespoke cabinetry offers an amazing amount of storage space for all of your cookware and supplies. This area is meant for serious cooking, so you can swiftly make anything from a fast snack to a 5-course dinner.